फिफ्थ वन इज मनी मेजरमेंट कंसेप्ट. ओके, सीधी भाषा में बोलूँ तो सारे जो अकाउंटिंग जो ट्रीटमेंट होता है वो ओनली मनी के बेस पे किया जाता है. इट इज़ ओनली बेस्ड ऑन द मनी. ओके, सो money measurement in business, all the transactions are presented in the monetary unit, means the money unit. For accounting, money is accepted as common measurement unit. Okay, no feeling of honesty, no feeling of hard work is there. Okay, these are not recorded in the books of account. Okay, it cannot be measured in the form of money. So this concept, as per this concept in business, all the transactions are represented in the monetary form. The transaction from which cannot be shown in the money form will not be recorded in the books of account. The transaction which cannot be ascertained in the money form, these are not recorded in the books of account. Okay, let's understand this concept with the best examples given in the textbook. Okay, first, no accounting entry is recorded for the strike by the factory workers. Okay, suppose the factory workers goes on the strike. Okay, for 15 days. Okay, the strike continue for 15 days suppose. So this the affect the business. Okay, it is assumed that this will affect the more in the business. Okay, business will discontinue for 15 days. But this is not recorded in the books of account. So this concept is the money measurement concept. Okay, and the no record is taken for the honesty of the company, honesty of the worker, employees sincerity. Okay, these are not recorded. Employees hard work, these are not recorded. This cannot be taken into the consideration in the money form. Okay. Second example is no accounting entry is recorded in the books of account for the resignation of a competent and efficient production manager. Okay, even if the production manager is competent and efficient, this will not be recorded in the books of account. Okay, so as this event, so if the production manager gives his resignation, even if it is not recorded in the books of account, hence it will create the effect on the business. His resignation creates adverse effects on the business, but it will not be recorded in the books of account. Understood, student? Okay. Then the periodicity concept.